Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. First, go to stripe.com and log into your account. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Payments under the settings menu. Select Payment Methods. Scroll down until you find ACH Direct Debit. Click Turn On, confirm when prompted. And that's it. You've now enabled ACH Direct Debit and can accept payments with it. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.